Hi guys, welcome to Mick Mack kitchen again with me, Christina Hann. In this episode, we're going to make something really delicious, sweet, sour, savory, full of flavors. We are going to make Eton mess. Eton mess is actually a British dessert. It contains meringue with whipped cream and then strawberries, but of course you can replace with other berries if you like, or if you're allergic to strawberries. Let's get started. I have here some meringue. I have about 50 grams. I got it from a store and I think it's a lot easier before I make it by myself. Well, I do make my own meringue sometimes. I have some heavy cream here. I have about 200 grams. It has to be very cold. I just got them out from the fridge. To the whipped cream, I'm going to put some mascarpone cheese. It is my opinion. I think it tastes better with a little bit of mascarpone cheese. I put about 50 grams. I just like this a little bit texture from mascarpone in the whipped cream, and I think it tastes better. Into the whipped cream, I'm going to put some vanilla sugar. I have a package, is about 8 grams. I'm not going to put a lot of sugar inside that because the meringue is already very sweet. I have some fresh strawberries here. I've cleaned, I've dried. I'm going to chop into smaller pieces later so it's easier for you to eat, or it's easier for me to eat later. I have about 250 to 300 grams. To the strawberries, I'm gonna put some balsamic cream. I'm gonna put about half tablespoon. In Italy, it's very common to put balsamic into strawberries or into a really good Parmesan cheese. I have some sugar here. I'm gonna put this sugar into my chopped strawberries. I don't have that much. I have only like 1 tablespoon. I got some edible dried flowers here. This is optional. You don't have to, but I think it is nicer and it looks way more beautiful. So I'm going to cut my strawberries into smaller pieces so it's easier for you to mix in your bowl. I just got really big strawberries, so I'm gonna cut like this, like small chunks, like easier for you to eat. I'm gonna put the strawberries in the bowl. You can cut in different ways, of course. Just make sure that it's easier for you how to eat it, or how to mix inside the meringue and the cream. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Here. Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you want more? So good.
I want more.
You want more? Here. I think until I'm done, my strawberry is also gone.
So good.
So good. You want more?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a lot better after it's done. So the strawberries are in the bowl right now. I'm gonna put my sugar inside here. It's not a lot, it's about like 1 tablespoon.
Sugar inside?
Yeah, sugar inside. And I'm going to put my balsamic cream.
Is it spicy?
No, it's yummy. You see how thick it is? I just put a little bit. You see that? It's going to give it a very nice flavor. Because you have this meringue, it's really sweet, and then you get a little bit of the whipped cream. It's sweet too. It's not as sweet as the meringue, but it's going to be sweet. And you need some strawberries, a little bit sweet, and the flavor of the balsamic just to cut it. Alright, I'll set this aside. So I'm going to put my heavy cream inside. I just got it from the fridge, so it's very, very cold. Gonna put my vanilla sugar inside. You're gonna beat it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Well, my whipped cream is almost done. Before it's done, I'm just going to put my mascarpone inside. So I put in the mascarpone cheese. I really like mascarpone cheese because I think it's very creamy. So I'm gonna beat it for a while. I just want to combine them together. It takes about 1 minute and it's done. I'm going to serve it in my dessert glasses. I have about 4 here, so I'm going to serve for about like 4 people. I'm gonna put my meringue inside. I'm gonna just break my meringues a little bit. Put them inside. And I'm gonna put some cream on top. Or you can put this cream in the piping bag or in a pastry bag, and then put it very nicely inside your glass. A little more cream, 1 meringue, and the flowers. That's it. Did you see that? The meringue, the strawberries, the cream, and the flowers. Oh, it just looks so fantastic. I just can eat it right now. Now the fun part, we are going to try this. Well, Michaela, she's here with me. So I'm trying to get all of that inside, like in one bite. The meringue, the crushed meringue, the cream, the strawberries, and the flowers. I'm telling you, this is heaven. It's not overly sweet. The meringue, it's already sweet. And the cream is just perfect to balance it. The strawberries are not sour at all. It's just perfect together. And you don't really taste the balsamic at all. That's the thing. This is literally heaven. It's very easy to make. Your family, they will love this. And they will love you too. Make sure when you want to put the balsamic acid inside, you gotta ask the seller, is it suitable for dessert or for cheese like Parmesan? If it's not, then don't put it inside. But you have to try this. This is really good. This is literally our family dessert. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, don't forget to give us a big great thumbs up below. If you have any questions, if you have any requests, just write a comment below. Please share.
Please share.
Like. And subscribe. And subscribe. Our channel. Bye-bye. Well, thanks for watching and see you next episode. Bye.